So welcome back to Bygone Alley. So I wanted to just give you a quick look at this Art Deco Waterfall Nightstand. Again, the 12 pictures that you're allowed on eBay, just don't do it for me. There's so much more I wanted to show that I can't do in 12 pictures. So here it is. Here's the front. It's got the classic curved waterfall front edge. Beautiful inlay woodwork. This section here kind of protrudes forward. It looks like the veneer had been rubbed off on some spots there, as you can see. Must have been, I don't know, wherever it was placed in someone's house. Maybe they walked by it a lot and scraped against it. That section's worn out a little bit. And you'll see little sections here and there that have some, you know, some varnish lost. But, you know, it's from the 1930s most likely, and something this old is bound to have some imperfections. You can see in this veneer down here, there's a little scratch there. But beautiful wood carvings, nice brass handle. I'll give you a view of the curved edge from the side. Don't mind all my packing materials in the back there. You can see the old nails they used. So yeah, there is some wear, some scuffs and scratches, which is to be expected. Here's the back. Not sure what the number means. I'm sure it had something to do with manufacturing back in the day. So this piece is just about 26 inches tall, 15 inches wide, and 15 inches deep. That's the outside dimensions. So now this, usually you have a door and a drawer up here. This one doesn't have a drawer, it's just a cabinet. So you've got a cabinet door like that. There's the inside, but it's got the extra tall space up underneath. So you could put something taller up in there. But people use these for, well, they still use them for nightstands, but they also use them for side tables. So yeah, I mean, you've got some scratches on top. Like I said, it's not perfect. Nothing this old is going to be. So they're really great pieces. That's about it. I just wanted to give you a little more detail with the video. So thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please like the video, click the like button, and feel free to subscribe if you want to see more updates. Thanks. Bye-bye.